Mitch's Adventures here. All right. The other night, I was talking to you guys about the train. And the reason I was working on this train, fixing the track and making it drivable or whatever for the trains to go around, was because, as you can see, the Haunted Mansion's not in the right spot, and neither is Small World. And the reason is because these things, these big things, this is 25 pounds, maybe 26. Well, they like to jump up on my train board. And I just can't have that because I don't want to find this thing, the rail, like it was. I found this over there, and these were all scattered all down in there, down there. And that's not a good place for a train set. So I saw a video online where a guy was actually making his train set dust-proof. Well, I'd love to do that, but there's all this space up here. I can't do that. But I did go with my wife, and we went and bought this stuff, really flimsy, clear acrylic. And I bought an acrylic, a glass cutter. That didn't really work too well. As you can see, it's cracked. Well, let me see if we can get a good shot of it there. You can see it just cracked when I used the glass cutter on it. And that didn't work too well either. Ouch, that's sharp. So, what I'm trying to do is build a shield around, I don't know if you can see it right there, a shield around the train board where I can still get to it by going like this. And taking the plastic off and being able to get to the train. And how did I do that? That was done, what is on there? Oh. Okay, so how that was done was like this. Just a second. Oh, let me show you. I drilled a hole in the wood. I need to put some glue in there when I get it deep enough. It's not deep enough yet. And then you put the magnet into the hole, like so. Now this one's just sitting on here, like that. And then what you do is you just put this up here like that. But I need a magnet for that. So you put that there and this here, okay. It's backwards, there we go. Like that. And then you grab this magnet and pull it there. You just straighten it up. And it's hanging over the edge because I do have another piece of clear plastic that I'm going to put along there, but I got to drill the holes in the side. So that's what I've been working on. Now, of course, I couldn't put this all the way across the 45 inches because this is bolted in. That's bolted in, that's bolted in, and these are bolted in. So I'm going to have to put different sheets of plastic up to come across here. I might already have a piece for that. Yeah. Here's a piece right here. And all we have to do is, well, let's see if it fits here. Could put it there. Or I could put it here. Between there and there. So, it's not long enough this way, not tall enough. Otherwise, it would only go like that. Which the cats would be able to jump over and ruin it anyways. But 9 inches is a little higher. So, that is the way to try to keep the cats out. I will work on that probably tomorrow because it'll be raining tomorrow and I don't really wish to go out in the rain because I'm like a cat. I don't like water. So that's what I'll be working on in the next couple of days. So if all you railroaders out there who like to work on your train sets but don't know what you're doing, I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm doing it, but I do it anyways so I can see what it's going to turn out like. Oh, look, we got a Christmas tree starting to look like Christmas. Remember I said in that video 53 days, which was, I don't know, a day after Halloween, that we'd be working on Disneyland. Well, we're working on my railroad here. Hopefully you guys are working on yours. Hopefully you watched the videos that I posted. First test track of my railway as I had set it up. I'll back up here so you can see the whole track. Well, maybe. As far back as I can go. That's the whole track. Alright, hope to see you. Follow along. I won't be dressed in my pajamas, I hope. And we hope to get this running again. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe right down in the right hand corner is the subscribe button, and click the bell. That way you'll know when I'm online live. Thanks.